Well, I've seen some elaborate bits of metalwork, but just have a look at this. Technically, it's a bit of jewellery, right? It's gilt bronze, gilt metal, that's then been elaborately jewelled, principally with garnets. It dates from the 6th century AD. What I love are these two birds on the top with their curvy beak and jewelled eyes, and then a rectangular section with more jewels in a fielded base, and the oval articulated buckle bit with its tongue through the middle. Extraordinary and so beautifully made. This could be yours for between £8,000 and £10,000 in the upcoming Timeline auction. So, buckle up